In a pan, add 4 tablespoons yogurt, tomato paste 2 tablespoons, chili powder 2 teaspoons, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, coconut oil 4 tablespoons. Mix together until smooth. Chicken thighs 1 kilogram. 2 potatoes, cut into wedges. 1 green bell pepper, cut into big pieces. Mix them well until the masala is coated and arrange it well in the pan. Marinate in the fridge for 1 hour. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 45 minutes or until the chicken and potatoes are cooked through. Ready to serve.